Good morning, students. It's time to start a study from home, and we all know that we have to study the chapter number 1 from Science Biology of class 7. So, we have to start from lesson 1, which is your bio chapter. We all know that the first chapter is nutrition in plants. Okay? So first of all, we have to, before starting the chapter, we have to know that what is nutrition. न्यूट्रिशन क्या है? तो न्यूट्रिशन हमें ये समझना होगा कि जो भी फूड हम लोग लेते हैं या आइदर प्लांट्स लेते हैं, वो या तो वो प्लांट्स खुद से अपना भोजन बनाते हैं, या तो फिर एनिमल्स में अगर देखें या ह्यूमन बींग्स में देखें, तो हमें अपना न्यूट्रिशन किसी दूसरे प्लांट्स के ऊपर डायरेक्टली डिपेंड होकर के या इनडायरेक्टली डिपेंड होकर के लेना पड़ता है, या किसी हम लोग एनिमल से ही डिराइव करते हैं या एनिमल्स प्रोडक्ट से डिराइव करते हैं, तो ये इसको बोलते हैं न्यूट्रिशन. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we move to modes of nutrition in plants. The plants can make food on their own by using carbon dioxide. We all know that what is the process of making food by plants. The plants make food by the process of photosynthesis. We have later discussed now. First of all, nutrition. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. Nutrition क्या है? Plants के द्वारा खुद से food बनाने का एंड उसको यूटिलाइज करने का उनके बॉडी में. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यूट्रिशन देर आर टू मोड्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. वन इज ऑटोट्रॉफिक एंड द अदर इज हेटरोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन. द मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन विच लिविंग थिंग्स मेक देयर ओन फूड. वह मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन जहाँ लिविंग थिंग्स वो अपना भोजन स्वयं बनाते हैं खुद से, बिकॉज दे आर नोन एज ऑटोट्रॉप्स. ऑटो मीन्स सेल्फ एंड ट्रॉप मीन्स नरिशमेंट. देयरफॉर प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड ऑटोट्रॉप्स. एंड द अदर मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इज living beings which are not capable of making their own food. यह वह दूसरा मोड है जिसमें लिविंग बींग्स ही अपना भोजन बनाते हैं, लेकिन वो डायरेक्टली खुद से नहीं बनाते हैं, वो प्लांट के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट रहते हैं या प्लांट के प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली किसी एनिमल या एनिमल के प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर. That's why they are called heterotrophs and the mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. For example, animals are called heterotrophs. Hetero means others, means derive nutrition from other animals or plants. Now another topic is food making process in plant. Food making process of plants, we all know that food making process of plant is called photosynthesis, and photosynthesis takes place in leaves. So leaves are called the food factories of the plants. The leaves have a green pigment. What the green pigment is called? Chlorophyll. We have already learnt earlier that chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the leaves. It helps the leaves to trap energy. Leaves क्या करते हैं? सनलाइट से एनर्जी ट्रैप करते हैं, सोलर एनर्जी, और उसको यूटिलाइज करते हैं अपने फूड के प्रिपरेशन में इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर, since the synthesis of food occurs in the process of sunlight. That's why the process is called photosynthesis. Photo means light. It means they have to derive their energy from light, and synthesis to combine means they have to combine that light from carbon dioxide which they absorb from atmosphere, water from roots, and the green pigment is already present in plants. This food is distributed to the leaves, to the different parts of the plant. Here this picture shows that how a leaf takes sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, and after that the food is processed, plants release oxygen in the atmosphere, and the equation is written here. Carbon dioxide, it means plants use carbon dioxide plus water, and in the presence of chlorophyll, the green pigment present in plant, and that is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll along with sunlight gives carbohydrates plus oxygen. It means plants use carbon dioxide, and in exchange, after preparation of their food, they give oxygen to the atmosphere. Now here is a detailed picture of a cross section of a leaf. Plants get carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through tiny pores on the surface of the leaves, and these tiny pores are called stomata. A cross section gives an idea of how a stomata looks. And how stomata works: a guard cell protect the opening and closing of the stomata opening. Plants get water and minerals through the soil, and root absorb them from soil and then transport them to the leaves. Here the picture shows that how minerals were absorbed. Minerals and water are observing by the plants through their roots. Plants make their food in the form of carbohydrates. These carbohydrates gets converted into sugar, and it is also called a sweet juice called sap, and the sap is carried to the stem. फिर ये sap